What makes a drink unforgettable? Flavor, texture, and a little surprise in every sip. At Kartsang, we create magic with colorful, juicy popping boba ready to serve, no cooking needed. From refreshing teas to creamy lattes, our bubble tea popping boba and bubble tea boba are crafted for joy, efficiency, and endless fun. Looking for something bold and modern? Try our signature bubble tea coffee extract, where the smoothness of tea meets the richness of espresso. Need a quick solution for busy cafes or drink shops? Our instant coffee powders mix fast, taste amazing, and deliver consistent quality every time. We also offer a range of fruit-based syrups and custom extracts made to elevate flavor layers and help you stand out. Our Chewy konjac jellies, with chewy texture, are perfect for juices, teas, or desserts, offering visual appeal and delightful bite. If you're in need of savory comfort, our premium soup extract is flavorful, easy to prepare. Certified by FSSE and ISO 22000, Kartsang ensures top food safety and international quality. From small shops to global brands, we deliver stable, scalable, and customized solutions. Ready to impress your customers with creative ingredients and reliable service? Let's build something remarkable. Visit our website to learn more.